Hello, hello. Here's my default program 1 remote. Let's go ahead. So when we set A, let's go ahead and initialize it. And I believe we're starting off in 0. No, it looks a little slower than that. Let's see, 0. There you go. I really like that I can adjust my compensation now because I've been having trouble with one of my tires. So it's good to, I like how you explained that in that video. So yeah, let's switch it up. Here's 4. A little slower. Here's 8. Twice as fast. All the lights. Red lights. 3, 0, 9. I think that's everything. 5, 7, 6. You know. Thank you.